Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to unmute a hashtag on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC after the new update. If you've ever muted a hashtag before and now want to bring it back to your feed, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, look over to the left side of your screen, where you'll find several icons and menu options. Next, click on the More icon. It usually looks like 3 small dots in a circle, and it opens up a menu with additional settings. From that menu, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control everything related to your account, privacy, and preferences. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll see a list of sections. Click on Privacy and Safety. This area helps you manage what you see and what others can interact with on your timeline. Now, scroll down a bit until you find Mute and Block. This section is key because it's where all your muted accounts, words, and hashtags are stored. Click on it to continue. Under the Mute and Block section, you'll see an option called Muted Words. Go ahead and select it. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the words, phrases, and hashtags you've muted in the past. Take a look through the list and find the specific hashtag you want to unmute. Once you spot it, look for the small unmute icon right next to it. Give it a click, and the hashtag will instantly be restored. You'll start seeing posts and discussions that include that hashtag again in your feed. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted a hashtag on the X app using your PC. It only takes a minute or two, but it can make a big difference in what you see on your timeline. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.